to show you how I make a really easy pantry stock chili. Everything is from my pantry except for my meat, which is obviously from the freezer. So I've got a good probably pound and a half, a little more than a pound of ground sirloin here. I'm going to put that in my pan. Get out of there. Okay. I'm going to break this up, maybe. A little bit of it still on the froze side. I may have to put just a little bit of oil in here when I fry this because this is ground sirloin and it is really, really lean. So I'm going to add probably a little bit of olive oil to it. But that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm just going to get this burger frying up, get it browned up, and I'll bring it back and I will show you what all I do to put this together. Okay, it's cooking away. And I'm going to take about a tablespoon of my homemade taco seasoning and put it right in there with that meat. You can use it for tacos or chili. It's wonderful stuff. Okay. So that's getting nice and brown. I had to put about, with this ground sirloin, I had to put about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil in here. Okay, so with that, I'm going to put 1 of my quarts of stewed tomatoes in here. Get that mixed around. And then I'm going to put another quart of my tomato sauce in here. I'll probably need just maybe another quart or so. All right, now I'm going to do, I'm not going to drain them, I'm going to do a pint of black beans and a pint of kidney beans, maybe 2, I'm not sure yet. This is why it is so nice when you can can your own stuff. Easy as pie, right out of the pantry. Okay, so we'll get that mixed around. I think that's enough beans in there. My husband doesn't like it real soupy, so I don't think I'm going to add any more tomatoes to that. But I'm going to leave it just like it is. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper, because of course you know I love my pepper. And about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. And that's all I'm going to put in here because all my other seasonings are in my tacos. And in my stewed tomatoes, I have got celery and onions and garlic. So this is perfect. All good. I got everything I need from my jars. So this, I'm just going to turn down and I'm going to let it simmer and heat through real good. And when it's all done, I'll be back and I'll show you. Okay, friends, my chili is done. And it is heated all the way through. And it is wonderful. Wonderful on a cold day like today. We got like 2 feet of snow outside. And it's maybe 3 degrees. So anyway, this is how easy it is to make chili. Especially from your pantry stock. Isn't that wonderful? I'm going to put a little cheese on that. Serve it to my husband with some crackers, and we're going to enjoy dinner. So there you have it, friends. Real easy to make and wonderful on a cold winter's day. There you go. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.